In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files and folders in Google Drive. Fix Today here, let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to Google Drive site. Make sure you're already signed in so you can access your files. So once you're inside your drive, locate the file or folder you want to move and take a moment to identify exactly where it is in your list. To quickly move an item, click and hold the file or folder, then drag it over another folder in your main list. When the folder highlights, release your mouse to drop the item inside. You can also move items into shared drives. Click and hold the file or folder, then drag it to the shared drives section in the left sidebar. Keep in mind you need the right permissions like contributor, content manager, or manager to move files there. Another method is to right-click the file or folder from the menu, select Organize, then click Move. And this will open a navigation window where you can choose a destination. Inside that window, you can click the search icon to find a specific folder by name. Type the folder name carefully, then select it from the results. Once you've chosen the correct destination, click Move to complete the process. If you want to move multiple items at once, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac, then click each file or folder you want to include. After selecting them, right-click any of the highlighted items, choose Organize, then click Move to send them all to a new location together. If you accidentally move something to the wrong place, press Control+Z or Command+Z right away. This will undo the last action and return the item to its original location. You can also use keyboard shortcuts. Select a file, then press Control+X to cut it, navigate to your destination folder, then press Control+V to paste it there. On mobile, tap and hold a file or folder to enter selection mode. Then tap the Move icon at the top of the screen and choose your destination. If you're using Google Drive for desktop, open your G Drive on your computer. From there, you can drag and drop files just like regular folders, and everything will sync automatically with your online drive. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.